What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, subscription box unboxings, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Today, we're going to be looking at the August 2022 Nomadik Box. So stay tuned through the intro. Alright guys, welcome back. So today, like I said, we're going to be looking at the August 2022 Nomadik Box. Now, it feels pretty light today, but what we've got in here is, this is a subscription box. If you're new to my channel, you're new to Nomadik, you can pick 1, 6, or 12-month subscription of Nomadik. You'll get those boxes once a month. And yeah, really cool gear items. I find them very valuable. There are some that have been a little bit below the value mark in my opinion. However, I think they are a good value. Now, what you're going to get, Nomadik says that each box has a $50 value. What you're going to pay for this box, though, is $32.95 if you do 1 month. And then if you stretch it all the way out to 12 months, it's going to break down to $29.99 per box. So you save a little bit of money going further out. But you can check out these boxes. You give them your shoe size, the cell phone model that you have, because you might get phone cases, that kind of thing. So let's jump into this box. So today we're going to be using the Gerber flat iron, our cleaver blade. Let's get this cut. So I did pay for a subscription to Nomadik. Once that subscription was up, Nomadik did send me these boxes for you guys so I could unbox on my channel. So this box was for free, but going over it for you guys. So let's dig into this and see what we got. All right, so if you're new to Nomadik, each month has a theme. This one is on the go. So we've got a pamphlet here, and it looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 items in this box. So your pamphlet here, once you open it, you've got a description of all your items. Then you've got some Nomadik tips that relate to the theme, Nomadik challenge, which is good for 1 month. And then on the back side, we've got some brand discounts and that kind of thing. So we'll keep that handy in case we need to figure out something. So let's see, what's this? Vapor water bladder. So what's special about Vapor? This is a 1 liter anti-bottle. This water bottle is different from them all. It is reusable, foldable, attachable, freezable, and easy to grip. It's flexible. It's a flexible product made specifically with active and adventurous lifestyles in mind. Easy to pack, this bottle lays flat when empty and can be folded and stored where other bottles can't. It's BPA free and super easy to wash. So you've got an attached carabiner here and just an open spout there. Click shut. Screw top with a gasket there. So yeah, pretty nice. It's pretty thick too. So there's our water bladder. Let's see. I think we had 4 things in here. Let me just drop one. So Chum's sunglass retainer. All right, universal fit. Let's see, Monk Pack Keto Granola Bar. All right, this one is almond butter cocoa chip, 1 gram of sugar, 2 grams net carbs, protein, plant-based, grain-free, gluten-free. So we'll have to try that and check that out. So that means we should have one more thing. Well, we got our sticker. Got our sticker this month. And what is... Thought it sounded like we had something else. So what is this? Sunglasses. All right, so we've got some sunglasses. They do have mirrored lens, kind of a blue mirrored lens, Nectar. Oh, these are nice. So, all right, comes with a little leather carrying pouch, and oh yeah, I can dig that. All right. So, sunglasses. We'll check these out. I'll do my best. I say it every month, and sometimes I'm able to, but I'll do my best to find prices for all of these items, and put prices and links in the description below. I'll do my best to do that. If you're interested in Nomadik, there will also be a link to Nomadik in the description. You can get over there and check Nomadik out. Sign up for 1, 6, or 12 months. They also have a quarterly subscription, which does cost a touch more, but you get a bigger box and nicer gear. So get over there and check that out. Yeah, and I think that's all I've got for today, guys. Get over and check out Nomadik. Stay tuned if you're interested in other Nomadik boxes. If you're new to my channel, I have a whole playlist full of unboxing videos for Nomadik, so get over and check those out. And yeah, until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.